Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Zapier website. I'll be showing you how can you organize your Zaps into Zap folders. So let's jump right into it now. To start the process, log in with your preferred account on Zapier and from the homepage navigate onto your Zaps. Once you're in the Zaps folder, you will click on the Create button on the right hand side, and instead of New Zap, you will click on New Folder. Give your folder a name, and then click on Save. Now, this is a new folder for your Zaps. Now, once you go back into your Zaps, you will be able to add your Zaps into a folder by clicking on Zap Actions right here, and click on Move to Folder. Click on Move to Folder, and now once you go into your folder will be right here full of the zaps that you've added. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.